Good morning. This is Jack from Charlie Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Monday, the 5th of May. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing, learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to shoot training signals. Right. Okay, looking at the bigger picture charts here, I'm getting doubtful about these upside targets on Bitcoin. Nothing looking wrong on the daily chart particularly, except for we've now got an RSI 5 sell signal fixed, and we already had a sell signal fixed on the daily, albeit a weak one on Ethereum. And actually, that has turned into a full size one, I think. Yes, it has. So we've now got two daily sell signals on the cryptos. This, along with the fact that it looks as though we're reaching or have reached the target areas on the equities chart, is suggesting to me that we're probably not going to get a great deal higher. I could be mistaken, but we will see. But let's have a look at this on Bitcoin. Right, in terms of the daily chart, new weekly pivot is at 95,246, and we're slightly below it at the moment. So on the weekly chart, we're over the middle band, and I am watching this as potential support. I've got that at 91,630, so I'll be watching that. Breaking conversion of that obviously is not good. On the hourly chart, no current divergence, but the rising channel we had from the low has now broken down. That again is not encouraging. Looking at Solana, no current divergence here, and it kind of looks like a bull flag forming. We're testing the daily middle band here. I think a break below would not be hugely encouraging at this stage, and I've got that at 144.57. We're more or less on it at the time, at the moment. On the hourly chart, I also had a rising channel on Solana, and that's also broken. I'm getting doubtful about this getting much higher. We will see. No sell signal here on the daily, but we've got one on the other two, and that. So we've only got the minority report really on Solana. On Ethereum, we've still got a nice looking target up at this trend line resistance, but I'm wondering about a retest of the low coming. We're still decently above the daily middle band, but really overall, this setup is leaning towards seeing a fail sooner rather than later. And as I'm thinking we're probably going to see a high on equities this week, then, well, see. On the 60-minute chart, we've still got this nice target up here at this trendline resistance, but I'm getting doubtful as to whether we're going to reach it. We shall see. All right. Just looking at questions. No questions. In that case, let's see how it goes from here. I'm thinking this might go a little higher or retest highs, but I'm getting doubtful about reaching the any of the main targets to the upside now. I think we might be looking at the highs or barring retests. I'd still love to see Bitcoin reach 101.5, but it's not looking encouraging. Channels breaking, daily sell signals are fixing, and really equities are in the target area, so we'll see how it goes. All right, everyone, take care, and I will catch you guys tomorrow morning.